More news coming in. First, direct link of rapist and ex-principal is out. Big charge by former RG Card doctor who says rapist Sanjay is a part of Dr. Ghosh's security. This is what Akhtar Ali has said. Did the former principal employ rapist Sanjay Roy is the big question here, given that he was working as a civil volunteer.
तो क्या सरकारी सिक्योरिटी थी या प्राइवेट?
नहीं, वो सरकारी नहीं है, कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल वैसे वर्कर।
प्राइवेट सिक्योरिटी लेके घूमते थे प्रिंसिपल।
हाँ, प्राइवेट
कॉलेज प्रिंसिपल।
वो इतना इन्फ्लुएंशियल कि वो कॉलेज प्रिंसिपल 4 बाउंसर्स को लेके घूमते थे, 20 सिक्योरिटी।
किस बात की?
क्योंकि वो करप्टेड आदमी थे, वो बेसिकली ही इज अ क्रिमिनल माइंड। और जो आदमी ऐसा होता है उसको अपना जान का डर होता है, पैसे का डर होता है, और बहुत तरह का वो ऐसा करप्शन में इन्वॉल्व थे जो शुरू से वो प्रैक्टिस करते आ रहे।
ये संजय रॉय जो है, जो मेन कल्प्रिट कोलकाता पुलिस की ओर से कहा जा रहा है, उसका किस तरह का वर्चस्व था वहां पे, कुछ आपको पता चला है?
संजय राय को अभी मैंने देखा, उस टाइम में बहुत अच्छी तरीके से नहीं जानता था, बट मैं इतना ऑब्जर्व किया हूँ कि प्रिंसिपल के जो बाउंसर होते थे 4 लोग, उसमें ये संजय राय भी था, ये भी था, वो प्रिंसिपल के साथ में।
नहीं, ये बड़ी बात आप कह रहे हैं कि प्रिंसिपल के जो प्राइवेट सिक्योरिटी हुआ करता था, वो आप कह रहे हैं बाउंसर्स को लेके घूमते थे।
प्राइवेट सिक्योरिटी जैसे क्या है ना, कि जैसे एडिशनल सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल है, अब उसको वो अपने पर्पस के लिए यूज कर रहा है, लेकिन सैलरी उसके हेड से हो रहा है। इसी तरह सिविक वॉलंटियर है, उसको वो अपने पर्पस से यूज कर रहा है, सैलरी यहाँ से हो रहा है।
तो ये संजय रॉय प्रिंसिपल को सिक्योरिटी देने में
उस वक्त उनके साथ देखा है बस, क्योंकि अभी उस वक्त संजय राय को उतना पहचानता नहीं था मैं। अभी जब उसकी शक्ल सूरत देख रहा हूं तो हाँ, इस लड़के को मैंने प्रिंसिपल के पास देखा है, ये बात मेरे जहन में आ रही है।
Ritik is getting us more details on that big story that he's tracking. Ritik, the fact is that this doctor associated with the RG Kar hospital for a while says that Sanjay Roy, the accused here, was hired rather by Ghosh, and that he knew him. He was in his inner circle in a way, given that security was given to Ghosh, and this was security, private security of sorts, and he worked as a bouncer. You know, what is it that you're picking up from doctors who knew Sanjay Roy, given that he was a volunteer with this very hospital?
Now, Sneha, remember this, this Dr. Ali, he is the initial whistleblower about the corruptions that was done by the principal, and he was among them who investigated the entire matter couple of years back, and he was among the whistleblower who wrote to the concerned authority, be it the Vigilant Commission of the state or the higher authority of the Swasthya Bhavan, regarding with regards to the endless of corruption charges of corruption. There are charges of siphon money, government money, misuse of government money, and nepotism, and also how he narrated to me that this Sandeep Ghosh, who was the then principal, enjoyed this post for a unprecedentedly for a long time, between 2021 to 2024. He was the principal, and 2 times he was shunted out, she was removed, she was transferred, but within a very span of a short time, he returned back to the same hospital, in spite of the fact that this Akhtar Ali, who conducted a thorough investigation, and the day when he submitted his findings and detail was submitted before the authority, he was transferred to a far hospital. So, and he also said Sandeep Ghosh was involved in trafficking the medical bio waste to Bangladesh. 2 Bangladeshi citizens were involved in this racket, and he also told that this Sandeep Ghosh, he found evidences that how Sandeep Ghosh sold n number of unclaimed bodies at that that hospital. So there are several serious charges, and now this this statement coming from that particular Akhtar Ali, who had been the deputy super of that hospital, who took the cognizance and also conducted several investigations, and claiming that this main perpetrator, who has been already arrested by the cops, Sanjay Roy, was associated with this this principal, who is being grilled for last couple of days by the Central Probing Agency. That comes as a big blow for the authority. Yes, there are questions being asked at this particular place, this Swasthya Bhavan. You can, continue to bring this broadcast. You can see that the Rapid Action Force and police have cordoned off the entrance of the Swasthya Bhavan as the protesting doctors in hundreds and thousands in number, they have arrived at the doorstep seeking justice, because now the demands are being raised before the authority. They feel, yes, there was lapses from the part of the Swasthya Bhavan, the health department, why they did not take any action and remain mum with regards to taking action against Sandeep Ghosh, in spite of the fact they had prior information about his, ill management or corruption charges. Now questions are being raised, and protesting doctors, they have decided, let me tell you, that until tomorrow, and today is going to be a very big day, because tomorrow, the CBI is scheduled to put the status report before the effect goes. Until they see the status report, they will then decide how far they are going to continue this cease work or protest. But as of now, let me tell you, tell our viewers once again that yes, doctors have decided to continue this protest, and now a huge protest erupting. You can see behind me police barricading them barely 20 meters away from the Swasthya Bhavan. Now one delegation, some of the protesters have already allowed to go inside to put the deputation before the higher authority of the Swasthya Bhavan. So these are the things that are happening. Protests continue. Remember, Saurabh Ganguly, the former Indian captain, will also stage a protest today sometime from now in Kolkata. So a lot of things are happening, and questions are also being raised against the authority, the government, because as per Akhtar Ali is concerned, we were told by him that yes, Sandeep Ghosh was highly influential, close associate with several top officials, and he had association with the government body. So questions are being raised. Back to you.
All right.